What's up, everybody? As you can tell, I hijacked my husband's channel. I took out all his shoes and replaced them with my purses because this is going to be a Telfar unboxing. Quick interruption, today is April 15th and the bag security program number 4 started yesterday, April 14th, and actually is going to go until April 18th. So with the bag security program, which is the cool part, is that all the colors he's released before you can get now. So when you were doing the drops, they only drop one color at a time, but now with the bag security program, you can get, all the colors that you may have missed back then now. So this is how I got this one, because this wasn't dropping when I started trying to buy these purses. If you guys don't know Telfar, Clemens is an amazing designer who designs these very cool vegan purses, and they are highly desired and actually very hard to get. I tried a couple times via the hype drops and everything and never hit, but he had something called the bag security program number 3, which is where I got mine from. It's a program that allows you to be able to buy whatever colors you want and whatever styles that he has offered, and as many as you want, and you just have to wait about 3 months or so for your bags to be delivered and made. So that's what I did, because I wanted to be able to choose what I wanted and the sizes I wanted without having to deal with the stress of going through the drops like my husband does with all his drop shoes. So I purchased 3 bags in 2 different sizes and 3 different colors because I wasn't sure which large color I wanted. So I bought 2 of the large sizes because I just couldn't decide. So this is the box it came in, and I ordered the bag security program in about October, and it took to about March for my purses to come. I know that they're starting bag security 4, I think this weekend, and it's a perfect time for you to go in and buy all the purses you want in all the colors that you desire without having to deal with all this stress. So who knows, after I open these up, I may want to buy some more. So let's get into opening. It comes like this, and I bought 1 small and 2 larges, like I said. So this is the small, and I bought it in the color super bright Azalea. As you can tell, I have a lot of neutral color purses, and I wanted something that was super bright in your face as a cute little pop of color when I wear a black dress or something. And it looks really cute. Hopefully this can fit in my phone though, so maybe we'll open it up and see if I can actually fit a phone in this. So I'm going to try on this small one and see how it looks like, and hopefully it will actually fit my phone, which I have a 13 Pro Max. I hope it fits. One thing I have heard is people wish that these straps were detachable in case they just wanted to have it as like a handheld. I think it fits pretty well on me. Let's see if it fits my phone. Fit it vertically. Don't know it will fit horizontally. Well, I'll figure it out. Yeah, I don't think this fits very well with a large phone. So something to be aware of when you buy this purse. Okay, so that's the first one. Second one I got was a medium size. I read afterwards that they might be slightly big for someone who's my stature. I'm about 5'2", but we'll see when I try it on. And I did need a work purse, so this is why I bought a medium. So this is, I like this blue. This is the painter's tape in size medium. Also, I like the T because T for Tran for my name. Alright, I'm gonna try on this medium and see how it looks. Yeah, that is a big bag. I really wonder how large the large is in that case. But I think it's a good work bag at least. So it's really roomy on the inside. That's a nice little zipper here too to add additional things. But this blue one is really cute. Something that we are aware of is that these straps aren't removable, like I said, and you can't adjust the straps either. Luckily, it seems like this kind of drops where I would have wanted a crossbody to drop for a bag this size, but just something to be aware of. And the last one I got was this Oxblood red color. So I love red as well as blue. Now I'm gonna try on the red one, same size as the blue one. I think the blue pops a little more, but the red is definitely, you know, a nice kind of maroon color that I like in my big bags. I'm not sure if I want to keep both of these, but we'll see when I try them on and see how they look. Overall, they look pretty cool. It's well done. The embossing is great. I like that it's vegan leather. And I heard it's very durable, so it's great for my work purses when I do a lot of work travel or carry my laptops and stuff like that. It looks like I could probably carry a laptop in one of these. All in all, I think I'm pretty happy with these. Alright, so these were the 3 bags I unboxed and I got from the Bag Security Program. What do you guys think? Should I keep both the red and the blue? Or should I just keep one? You know, leave a comment below. And, you know, thanks for watching and I'll see you at the next one. Thanks. Bye.